Hi, my name is Dave Rose. Thanks for joining me on my Cactus Cowboy YouTube channel. Let's take a quick look at my 1959 Lincoln Capri Landau. I found this car in October of 2015. It had been sitting outdoors for about 14 years after the prior owner passed away. Bought the car, saw that it had real potential. Body was basically straight, although I have replaced some parts that saw a minor collision damage. Big car. It is about 1 inch shy of 19 feet long. It is the largest unibody car ever built. Huge trunk, fins on the back. Real smooth ride going down the highway. It's a real land yacht. In the winter of 2017-2018, I took the car up to Roberts, Montana to Hale's Upholstery. Gary Hale did a complete custom interior restoration. Door panels, seats, dash pad, headliner. There's the rear seat. And the rear shelf. And the carpet. Well, the carpet was cut and sewn together from the original, which was used as a pattern. Check out the legroom in the back seat there. Seats are not totally original. The original from the factory would have been gray naugahyde with cloth. That is new old stock original cloth we sourced from SMS Fabrics. And instead of naugahyde, we went with gray leather, which I think is really nice. Door panels incorporate some of the leftover seat material, which was not factory correct or standard, but that was Gary's suggestion, and I think it looks really sharp. The controls for the power windows on the left-hand front door. Some nice bright work. That's gray leather used on those armrests. We had plenty of leather left over, so opted to use that instead of vinyl. Steering wheel has the usual cracks. I do have a good instrument panel lens from a parts car. Many of these are cracked right down the center at 55 miles an hour. Again, nice bright work. Well, thanks for watching this video. By the way, we call this car the Shark because it's big, it's gray, it has fins, and it's badass. Thanks for watching.